Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to scan documents to your computer. Converting your physical papers into digital files offers numerous benefits, making them easier to store, share, and organize. Whether you're decluttering your home office or need to send important paperwork electronically, scanning is a valuable skill. This easy guide will walk you through the simple steps, ensuring you can confidently digitize your documents in just a few moments. Let's get started and transform your paper piles into accessible digital assets. Before we begin, let's quickly go over the essential equipment you'll need. First, you'll require a scanner. This could be a dedicated scanning device, or more commonly, a multifunction printer that includes scanning capabilities. Next, make sure your computer is properly connected to the scanner, either wirelessly or via a USB cable. You'll also need the scanner's software installed on your computer. Finally, gather your documents and prepare them by removing any staples or paper clips to prevent jams and ensure a smooth scan. Now, let's dive into the actual scanning process. Begin by carefully placing your document on the scanner glass, usually face down, or load it into the automatic document feeder if you have multiple pages. Next, open your scanner software on your computer. You'll typically find an option labeled Scan or New Scan. Before you hit that button, take a moment to select your preferred settings, like color, resolution, and the file type, such as PDF for documents or JPEG for photos. Once ready, click Scan and review the result. Once your document is scanned, the next crucial step is saving and organizing it. You'll be prompted to save your file. Choose a designated folder on your computer where you keep important documents. It's a good practice to give your file a descriptive name, including the document type and date, so it's easy to locate later. To maintain excellent organization, consider creating a consistent folder structure. Finally, for added security, back up your important scan files to cloud storage or an external drive. You've successfully digitized your document.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.